noticed those colorful spray paint markings on the sidewalks and roads? They're not just random, they're life-saving. Beneath our feet lies a complex network of buried infrastructure, including pipelines, power lines, water systems, and communication cables that power our daily lives. We rely on these hidden systems every moment of every day, but when people dig without knowing what's below, the consequences can be serious. Costly repairs, utility outages, environmental damage, and even deadly accidents. That's why understanding these markings is so important. These color-coded markings aren't just there to keep the ground looking colorful. They're there to protect us all. So, what do these markings actually mean? Each color corresponds to a specific type of underground infrastructure. For instance, red indicates electric power lines, yellow represents gas lines, blue marks water systems, green is used for sewer lines, and orange highlights communication cables. These are the critical infrastructure systems that support everything from the water you drink to the electricity that powers your home. But it's not just about knowing the colors. It's about understanding the risk involved when you dig without recognizing what's buried beneath. Damaging these underground systems can result in immediate and long-term consequences. Ruptured gas lines can lead to fires or explosions, damaged water pipes can contaminate drinking water, and severed communication cables can disrupt essential services. Simply put, digging without proper knowledge can cause major disruptions and even endanger lives. This is where the markings in the 811 service come in. Those markings are part of a universal safety code used by professional locators who map out buried utilities before any digging or construction happens. The process involves calling 811 before any digging begins. When you call 811, locators come to the site and use those color-coded markings to show where the underground utilities are located, helping prevent any accidental damage. It's a simple step that ensures the safety of everyone involved, whether you're a homeowner, contractor, or community member. These markings help prevent digging into a gas line that could lead to an explosion or a power line that could knock out electricity for an entire neighborhood. By understanding and respecting these markings, we all play a part in protecting the infrastructure that powers our lives. But it's not just about avoiding damage, it's also about the bigger picture. Every time we dig safely, we contribute to the longevity of our infrastructure. We help protect our resources, reduce costs, and ensure that essential systems continue to operate without interruption. The simple act of respecting these markings ensures that communities stay safe, businesses keep running, and homes remain powered with services we rely on. Modern Roots March is all about raising awareness of these unseen systems that are vital to our everyday lives. We don't often think about what's buried underground, but it's crucial that we do. These systems are the backbone of our modern society, and understanding how to protect them benefits everyone. By learning more about these systems, respecting the safety codes, and making the simple call to 811 before you dig, we're all helping preserve the strength and longevity of our nation's infrastructure. Follow along with Modern Roots March, share this message with your community, and always remember, before you dig, always call 811. It's a small action that prevents a big problem and helps ensure that our critical infrastructure remains safe and functional for generations to come. Learn more at aii.org.